ecosystem for sustainable growth. Before we begin, I kindly request you to like, subscribe, and share this session so that the knowledge and research insights can reach a wider academic and professional community. In this session, we will explore how collaboration between academia, industry, and society can transform research into innovation, strengthen skill ecosystem, and drive sustainable technological growth. So let us begin with the session. These are the topics which we are going to cover in this session. So, as we are living in a historic technological era where artificial intelligence, automation, and digital transformation are reshaping every sector education, healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, and governance. The future will not belong only to those who invent technology, but to those who collaborate effectively. Innovation today is no longer individual excellence. It is collective intelligence powered by collaboration between universities and industries. Across the world, successful innovation ecosystems operate through a strong triangle: academia, industry, and government. Universities generate knowledge, industries convert knowledge into product, and governments create policies that enable large-scale adoption. Countries leading in innovation have built strong partnerships where research moves seamlessly from laboratory ideas to industrial development and societal benefits. Collaboration accelerates innovation in multiple ways. Industry provides real problems, academia provides analytical thinking, and together they produce impactful solutions. When curriculum aligns with industrial needs, student graduates with relevant skill. Research becomes meaningful when it solves real challenges. Ultimately, collaboration bridges the gap between education outcomes and workforce expectation. From a technical perspective, collaboration is essential. Academic research often depends on a limited data set, whereas industry works with the large-scale real-world data. Access to industrial data sets enable development of robust AI model. Industry also provide practical problem statements that transform theoretical research into applied innovation. Moreover, collaboration helps move technology across technology readiness level from early research stages to deployable system. So this transition is where true innovation happens. Traditionally, academia focuses on the theory and publication, while industry focuses on implementation and scalability. A model performing well in controlled laboratory may fail under real-world constraints such as hardware limitation, latency, or user variability. Collaboration integrates research pipelines with engineering pipelines, covering experiments into scalable products that create market and societal impact. Academia plays a foundational role in innovation ecosystem. Universities nurture curiosity, develop algorithm, and train future engineers and researchers. Academia institutions are centers of experimentation, creativity, and long-term vision. They build intellectual capital, encourage interdisciplinary thinking, and create a knowledge base required for next generation technology. Industry complements academia by enabling deployment and commercialization. Industries provide funding, infrastructure, and real deployment environments. They validate research through practical applications and convert prototypes into a scalable solution. Industry ensures that innovation reaches society instead of remaining confined within research publications. As artificial intelligence act as a powerful catalyst for collaboration. In smart manufacturing, AI enables predictive maintenance. In healthcare, AI supports diagnosis and personalized treatment. In smart cities, AI optimizes transportation, energy, and safety systems. These complex applications require joint expertise from researchers, engineers, policymakers, and domain specialists. AI naturally encourages interdisciplinary collaboration. There are several successful collaboration models emerging globally. Joint research collaboration allow shared innovation spaces, internship expose students to industrial practices, co-supervised research project ensure academic depth with industrial relevance. Such a models create continuous knowledge exchange and accelerate technology transfer. Students are the biggest beneficiary of the collaboration system. Traditional education emphasizes theoretical learning, but today's workforce demand problem-solving ability, adaptability, and interdisciplinary skills. Industry engagement provides experimental learning, enabling students to become innovation-ready professionals rather than only degree holders. Sustainable growth emerges when innovation ecosystem function effectively. Collaboration drives economic development, support entrepreneurship, and generates socially responsible technologies. When academia and industry align their goals, innovation contributes not only to profit but also to environmental sustainability and societal well-being. Despite its important challenges, that is, collaboration faces several challenges. Differences in organizational culture, funding limitation, and communication gaps often show often slow partnership. Academia works on a long research timelines, while industry operates with the immediate market expectation. Overcoming these differences require trust, policy support, and continuous dialogue. To strengthen collaboration, institutions must adopt structured action plans. Industry advisory boards can guide curriculum updates. Joint curriculum design ensures skill alignment. Faculty industry sabbaticals allow knowledge exchange and collaborative research grants. Encourage long-term partnerships. So these structured mechanisms transform collaboration from occasional interaction into a sustainable system. Looking towards 2035, we can envision AI-driven universities, digital innovation ecosystems, and lifelong learning platforms. Education will become continuous rather than time-bound. Professionals will constantly reskill through AI-powered learning systems. Universities will evolve into innovations hubs connected globally with industries and research centers. The future of innovation lies at the intersection of collaboration, artificial intelligence, and sustainability. Academia generates ideas, industry transforms ideas into the impact. Together they can create technologies which improve human life. Sustainable innovation is not achieved individually, it is achieved collectively through a strong ecosystem. So I'd like to conclude by saying that the greatest innovation of the future will not emerge from isolated brilliance but from collaborative intelligence. So let us work together, build ecosystem where education, research and industry unite for sustainable global growth. So thank you very much.